Welcome to Post Market Report dated 23rd May 2024. First, let us look into the US market. US market, all three indices ended lower yesterday. Dow Jones down by around 0.5%, but S&P 500 and Nasdaq ended flat with a negative bias. 2 points we discussed yesterday. One is the FOMC meeting minutes and another one is Nvidia results. So FOMC meeting minutes were out as expected. It's a wait and watch scenario for the federal government, so they are not confident with the data whatever we received now, so they want to wait and watch for the future data before they decide on the rate cut. Right now they have not shared on which month they will consider for a rate cut, so it's clearly a wait and watch scenario. That is why the US market reacted negatively yesterday. But after hours, the Nvidia results came. The Nvidia results were very good, and Nvidia management has announced a stock split, 10 for 1 stock split. So if you have one stock, then the split will be 10. You will receive 10 stocks actually, so which is a very good news. And also Nvidia had come out with a very good dividend. So in this video I am sharing my earlier posted video link about the Nvidia story, where that is 1.5 months before I posted that Nvidia story, where I clearly mentioned that if Nvidia stock crosses the $1,000 mark, then there is all chances of stock split. So I was expecting a 1:3 or 1:4 stock split, but Nvidia has come out with 10 for 1 stock split actually, which is very good for the investor. After hours, Nvidia stock trading above $1,000. When US markets opens today, we will see Nvidia stock trading above $1,000 mark today. So these are all the updates from the US market. US futures also trading higher. That's mainly because Nvidia results came after hours yesterday. So US futures also trading positive. So these are all the updates from the US market. Coming back to the Indian market, so what a fantastic and awesome rally today. So no one expected that Nifty will cross the all-time high today. So Nifty once again at all-time high today, up by around 369 points and 1.64% and trading close to 23,000 mark. Bank Nifty also up by 1,000 points today, and Sensex up by around 1,200 points. Adani stocks flared well today. Adani Enterprises up by around 7% and Adani Port up by around 4%. Reliance and HDFC Bank alone contributed 100 points for the Nifty's up move, and L&T, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank, 3 stocks contributed another 100 points. So 5 stocks contributed around 200 points for the uptrend today for Nifty today. And Bank Nifty, it's up by around 2% today. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank and SBI, all 4 large banks contributed for the positive move of around 1,000 points for the Bank Nifty today. Apart from that, Nifty Auto, Nifty Bank, Private Bank, Public Sector Bank, all were up by around 2% today. Nifty Infra up by around another 1.5% today. Many times we discussed about the shipbuilding stocks. Today also shipbuilding stocks moved higher. Cochin Shipyard moved by around 18%, up by around 18%. Muscat Dock up by around 8%. Garden Reach Shipbuilders up by around 18%. So shipbuilding stocks were moving higher by around 15 to 20%. Many times we have seen actually. So one of the stock that traded lower, key stock that traded lower is Lupin. That's mainly because competition for one of its key drugs actually. Results impact, ITC results are good, but the stock did not react much. It's down 0.3%. HEG down by 16%. Page Industries down by 1.6%. Nika down by 3%. Jubilant Foodworks, the Q4 net profit is good, up by around 7-fold to rupees 208 crore. But the stock did not react much, down by around 1% actually. So these are all the updates from the Indian market. But there are 3 points why Nifty traded higher today. One is mainly because the RBI dividend bonanza yesterday to the central government. It's one of the highest, 2.11 lakh crore of dividend. So this will definitely help to boost the infrastructure for the central government. This is one main reason why Nifty traded at all-time high today. Apart from that, the PMI data is one of the highest in the last 14 years. The manufacturing PMI was at 58.4 and service PMI at 60.08, and the composite PMI stands at 61.7%. actually this is one of the highest in the last 14 years. So PMI above 50 is a very good one. It means that we are expanding. Below 50 means we are contracting. But the PMI, composite PMI, is 61.7, which means we are expanding at a larger extent. So this is another reason why Nifty, Bank Nifty, everything traded higher today. Apart from that, crude, it's trading lower, which when crude trades lower, it is good for India. We are importing a lot of crude. So that's why when crude is lower, it's advantage. Crude trading at $81. So these are all the three reasons why Nifty went up, even before the election at all-time high. Everyone were expecting once on June 4th, once we know there is a stable government, whether it is BJP or India, when the stable government is formed, then the Nifty will take on and will move on to higher, will reach the all-time high. But Nifty traded at all-time high well before the Lok Sabha election completion itself. We will see the Nifty range, let it consolidate, then we will look at what is the Nifty range for next week. So right now I see there will be a consolidation, and tomorrow it's a short covering rally also today. So tomorrow Nifty might trade slightly lower, 50 to 100 points is what I feel. So let us wait and see. Right now it's difficult to predict the Nifty range at this stage. So let us wait and see. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.